Hello everyone. Welcome to How to Tool. In this episode, we will create our very own cool looking calculator. Let's begin. At first, we need to make 3 variables, 2 of them n1 and n2 for getting numbers and one called op for operation input from user. Then we will put them into a while loop. Then we will start our real work. Starting with an if statement conditioning the op variable's value and printing n1 and n2 accordingly. We will copy and paste this many times to make it on all mathematical operations. Then we will write an else statement which if those values were not written, this will run. If we save and run this, we will see it work quite good. Let's make it cool. Start by inserting the module called OS. Then defining a function called clear. Functions in Python are defined like that. After, we will write os.system and write the command. What this does is whatever you write inside will be run on operating system specific command line. For clearing screen we will use CLS as on Windows. Color 0A and title calc are also useful for design. Now we will insert the clear function by calling it and add an empty print statement. Do this will all if. Now if we run it from console, we will see title and color changed and after doing an operation, then screen will clear. Now you have your own cool and geek looking calculator. Sub to my channel and click that ring icon for new episodes and smash like button. Thanks for watching.